class 10th, exercise 5.1. We have done till question number 2. Now we have to do question number 3. So what is question number 3? For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. We have to write the first term and find the common difference in question number 3. So what is question number 1? 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. So from here, first we have to write the first term. The first term is the first term, which is this, and the common difference will be A2 minus A1. And this way we will find. So start solving. Okay. So we'll write first term. Our first term is 3. Okay. Now we have to find common difference D. So what is common difference formula? We will do A2 minus A1. What is your A2 here? 1, and A1 is 3. So 1 minus 3. So this will be minus 2. So the difference is minus 2, and your A1 is 3. The next question, question number 2, that is minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. Here the first term is A1 is minus 5, and your D is A2 minus A1. That means minus 1 minus 5. That means minus 1 plus 5, 4. So your A1 is 5 minus 5, and D is 4. Next, third, 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3 and 13 upon 3. Here A1 is 1 upon 3, D is A2 minus A1. That means 5 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. 5 minus 1, because the denominator is same, we will just subtract the numerator, so it will become 4 upon 3. So your A1 is 1 upon 3 and D is 4 upon 3. Now going for the fourth question. What is fourth question? 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9. Here again A1 is 0.6. D A2 minus A1. That means 1.7 minus 0. This is minus 0.6. This will be 1.1. So your A1 is 0.6 and D is 1.1. So your A1 is the first term of the AP, the first term which we are seeing, and the difference is A2 minus A1. Okay. Now going for the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. In this question, what do we have to do? We have to tell whether which of the following are APs. If the terms are in AP, we have to tell the common difference and next 3 terms. So starting with the first question. The first question is 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. To find it whether it is an AP or not, what do? We will find the common difference. First we will do A2 minus A1. That means 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. Now A3 minus A2. That means 8 minus 4. You will get 4. A4 minus A3. That means 16 minus 8. Difference is 8. Now we can see here the difference is different all the time. That means this does not form AP. So the given list of numbers is not AP or does not form AP. Now next question, question number 2. 2, 5 upon 2, 3 and 7 upon 2. Here again first we will find the difference. That means A2 minus A1. That means 5 upon 2 minus 2. First we have to take the LCM. So we will get y minus 4 upon 2, 1 upon 2. A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 upon 2. Take the LCM, you will get 6 minus 5 upon 2. That means this 1 upon 2. A4 minus A3, 7 upon 2 minus 3. Take the LCM, you will get 7 minus 6 upon 2. Here we can see that the common difference is same. So that means this is an AP. So we will say that given list of number forms an AP. Forms an AP with the common difference (1 upon 2). So now we have to find the next term. Next 3 terms are, what was the last term? 7 upon 2. So we will add 7 upon 2 with 1 upon 2. You will get 8 upon 2. That means it is 4. Next 4 plus 1 upon 2. Take the LCM, you will get 8 plus 1 upon 2. That means 9 upon 2. And last is 9 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Add them, you will get 10 upon 2. Cancel it, you will get 5. So the next 3 terms are 4, 9 upon 2 and 5. In this way we will find the next 3 terms. Now third question. What is third question? Minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 minus 7.2 and so on. So again here first we will find the difference. A2 minus A1 is minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. Solve this, you will get 3.2 plus 1.2. When you will solve, you will get minus 2. Now A3 minus A2, that means minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. Minus 5.2 plus 3.2, you will get minus 2. A4 minus A3 is minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. So here minus 7.2 plus 5.2. So this is minus 2. Again the difference is same. So we will say that, so given list of numbers forms an AP with common difference minus 2. Now we have to find the next 3 terms. Now the next 3 terms are the next 3 terms are, first is, what was the last term? Minus 7.2 and the difference was minus 2. So this will become minus 9.2. Next minus 9.2 plus minus 2 minus 11.2. Next minus 11.2 plus minus 2, it will give you minus 13.2. So the next terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Now going for the next question, that is question number 4. Next question terms are minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. So here again first A2 minus A1, that means minus 6 minus 10, that means minus 6 plus 10. So the answer is 4. A3 minus A2 minus 2 minus minus 6 minus 2 plus 6, that means 4. And A4 minus A3, so 2 minus minus 2, 2 plus 2, so this is 4. Here again the common difference is same, so we will say this list of numbers are form AP. So given list of number forms AP with common difference 4. So next three terms are 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14. Okay, now going for the next question, question number 5. What is question number 5? 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. So again, a2 minus a1 is equals to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Cancel it, you will get common difference is root 2 here. Now a3 minus a2 will be equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So you will cancel these two, and 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 will be root 2. Now a4 minus a3, that means 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 cancel. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. Again here the common difference is same, so we will say that so given list of numbers forms AP with common difference root 2. Next three terms are, so first is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2, that means 3 plus 4 root 2. ठीक है. Second, 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2, which gives you 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, which gives you 3 plus 6 root 2. In this way we will find the next three terms. Now next question, question number 6. Sixth question. So in sixth question again what do we do? A2 minus A1, which is 0.22 minus 0.2, which will give you 0.02. A3 minus A2, 0.222 minus 0.22, it will give you 0.002. A4 minus A3 is 0.2222 minus 0.222, which will give you 0.0002. So here what is that the list does not have the same common difference. That is why this list is not in AP. So this list does not form an AP as the common difference is not same. Now from the next question, your homework, you have to do those questions by yourself. You have to tell whether the list is in AP or not. If it is in AP, then you have to find the next three terms. Okay, and solve the 11th question. So here A2 minus A1, that means A square minus A. So take A common, you will get A minus 1. A3 minus A2 will give you A cube minus A square. A square, A minus 1. A4 minus A3 will give you A raised to the power 4 minus A cube. A cube, A minus 1. Here also the difference is not same. So we will say, so given list of numbers does not form an AP. Okay, because the common difference is not same. In this way we have to solve all the 14th question. All questions are your homework. Okay, and next exercise we will start in our next video.